Yes, Irie greetings and grand rising to all those in view, Yes, more shoes views, As it's like I was saying before, with my garden escapade, we have a whole heap of work for do, yeah. Them people here, through them did have the fake grass. We have to take it up. And had fake grass everywhere, everywhere. As you can see, underneath here, so then put one layer of plastic. Then have a next layer of plastic where we have to dig up. Like what you can see here. See? So we have to dig up on this and turn this over and then put back this mound of soil all the way back. Put it back after me clean it up. Look, see more plastic here. See, me not like the plastic poisoning thing, Not good for the soul, not good for the, look, plastic everywhere, man. Yes, yeah. And just to show you how much plastic me pull out of the soil already, cause I tell we are deal with, look, one big bag of plastic full, and that is just from this little area, yes sir. Not even, well no, tell a lie. And half are up there so as well. Cause me did do some before and me get rid of it. Yeah? So plastic pies and me all find glass in there. See the little box of glass pieces. So next soil. All this soil I know me have to clean out. See more plastic here. You know, to love this plastic here, cause I tell we are deal with, your food is your medicine. And your medicine is your food. Don't be fooled by them idiot doctor. They look, watch ya. More plastic, Them have all kind of plastic. Me all find figurine, all kind of thing. Me no find no treasure yet. But, our pieces of metal as well. Me have a next bag full of metal. So right now, I'm going to turn it out. As you can see, if you look carefully, this, I want brick. I have to take up and pull out and stuff, And then we turn it back over. Then we replace the soil. Then we're ready for the planting. I'm going to do this today, before the day done. And get my soil ready. Still just, anytime you see plastic, I have to stop, and pull it out. Because we don't want no plastic in our food, plastic poisoning and contamination we not dealing with. Not dealing with it, yes. So yes, I have to dig out this area here. So the big tarpaulin them putting off here. Then they take out a tree, one oak tree. And see, if you look here, so, I don't know if you can see good, get a little closer. You can see the oak tree underneath here, so make sure the roots them not really interfere with my planting. If it grow back, God blessing, I mean not fight it. I'm not fighting it, so that's all good. Next piece of plastic as well. Watch out. In this little short talk, look how much plastic me pull out. Look. See some more here. Them things are not staying around in my garden. No, sir. Yes. But as I say, so I'm going to pull back all this. Once we done, this little pile of earth here, so. Once we turn it over and clean it out, level it out, ready for my planting. I'm going to plant tonight because we just don't have a full moon. So all this thing here, what happened to these people here, this fake artificial grass. What's going on? People are run from nature, I see. Well, I'm going to do it all over the place still. Yes, yeah, man. So we're going to talk that out. A little later, we will show you my progress. Because as we said, I got underneath that plastic there, so I'm going to turn over. Then I'm going to put back my soil. And then I'm ready for the planting and stuff. We have some seeds, we have some little baby plants I come through as well. So we get different crop throughout the year. Yeah, man. So as we say, I done show you this already when we do. See one of my raspberry plant them there, I forget little water. Yes, man. I mean, have me. You know something? You see, when we take up this here fake grass, you say, look, fake. All fake. Poor worm them, you see. I just dust them and eat. Worms them good for the soil. But you see, when I take it up, what I'm going to do is put back grass. I mean, I train up my grass. This is the little grass when we pull out of the soil, And look how it a flourish already. So I'm going to put that back in. So by end of season, should have a good grass lawn patch. Nah, buy no lawn, you know. See me little baby strawberry, them there, greeting strawberry. Get this leaf out of the way. Yes. Next raspberry. There's a raspberry. Yes, raspberry. This plant here. So strawberry. Me have some little flowers them I push up, so I'm gonna leave them. You know. See me chocolate mint here. This a chocolate mint, not just normal mint. Some chives and my dunion. You know, me I'll find some little pretty rock. So progress, you know. More shoes views to come. Stay tuned. Later on, I'm going to show you my progress for today. You know? Yeah, man. You know? Good exercise. You know? And putting your hand into the soil, good grounding as well. With the spot piece more plastic, you know, so I go for that. Till the next time, more time.